Welcome to the channel of Vision, and this is Anil R.
Hello all, welcome to the channel of Vision. This video is all about e-commerce business models that normally we'll use in e-commerce. So now we'll see the different models that we have under e-commerce businesses. So first one we have business to business, business to consumer, consumer to consumer, consumer to business, business to government, government to business, government to citizens. So these are the various different models that we have under e-commerce business. Now we'll see what it says. So first one, business to business e-commerce models that we have. So it's nothing but it's a website. Through website, so the goods and services will be sold from one business to another business. You can see the diagram which we have here. So first we have business organization, and the next left hand side you will be having wholesalers. So when wholesalers needed any goods, so they will visit to a website, then through website they will order the product which they need, then it will reach to the business organizations. So then business organization will supply the goods to the wholesalers, then wholesalers can sell the goods further for customers. So this is how it works. So here business organization is one of the business and wholesalers also one of the business. So now here wholesalers is purchasing from business organization. That means business organizations are selling or supplying the goods to the wholesaler businessmen. So here both the persons are business to business. For between business organizations and wholesalers, the dealing, that means the purchasing and selling of goods is happening through a website. So for this we call it as business to business model. Next, business to customer. So business to customer is nothing but business people will sell the goods directly to the customers without having any intermediaries. So like we have seen retailers, we have seen franchises, wholesalers, or any brokers or any middlemen. So without having these middlemen or these people directly, business organization can sell their products to the customers, that is through websites. So you can see here, so customer can order a product by using a website, and then this order information will go to our business organizations, then business organization will supply the product to the customers, that is delivering the products. So for this kind of model we call it as business to consumer or business to customer models. Next we have consumer to consumer model. It's nothing but, so one consumer will sell a product or a services directly to the another customer. You can see the diagram here. So here downside we have left hand right hand side consumer 1 and consumer 2. When consumer 1 wants to sell any product to customer, that is customer 2, so at the time, so they will be dealing, that will customer 1 and customer 2 will be having a transactions, and they will be doing the tradings, that is purchasing and sellings by using a website. So what happens when customer 2 wants to buy any product, then they will order by using a website, and those information will go to a customer 1, then directly customer 1 will deal with the customer 2 to sell the product, and directly customer 1 will receive the money from customer 2. So normally many people will be using the OLX. So that is one of the best example that we have for consumer to consumer. So this is one of the model that we have under e-commerce. One, consumer to business. Consumer to business, it's nothing but, you can see here we have one diagram here. When business organizations required something, it may be information or it may be anything, so from the customer. So here customer will be selling their product or services or any information or any data to the business directly by using a website. So for example, you can see here a model we have. So business organizations will be processing an order by using a website. Then that information or services will go to a customer. So here the customer and business organizations will conduct an exchange. So here we'll be having a different kinds of exchanges between customer and business. Sometimes, so customers will be selling few products, and sometimes even they will be having returns, that is purchase returns and sales returns, and even sometimes customers will be delivering or giving the data which is required for the companies. It may be reviews, it may be ratings on the products of business organizations, and even sometimes few information that business organization require. So it's very simple. It's all about customer to business. There will be an exchange. Even sometimes it may be for the money purpose, because here we have all about e-commerce business model. So definitely when customer is doing a favor to a business organization, then that will be for money purpose only. So this is one of the model that we have under e-commerce. Next we have business to government model. So business to government model is all about business organizations will be selling information or sending goods to the government directly by using a website without using any middlemen. It may be wholesalers, it may be retailers, or any middle agents. So here when government wants something, so they can directly go to a website of any business organizations. They can visit, they can order the products, then business organizations will deliver the products to the government. So here business people will be delivering not only a product, even information and data which is required for government. This is one of the model that we have under e-commerce. And next one we have government to business. Government to business is all about government will be providing few services to the business. We have a government because they will be providing services to the society. They are the services or service providers for the society. So here always government will be providing services for different people. So here we are dealing with a business. So how government can be deliver services to the business? So when business people required anything from government, that may be applying for license, applying any other confidentiality that is needed for the business people from the government, or any permission required for the business people from the government side. So those kind of services can be get by the business people from the government. So at the time, so business organization can visit the government websites, they can apply there, and there they can take the services from the government. So this is one of the model that we have, government to business. And the last one which we have is all about government to citizen. Government to citizen is nothing but government will be providing services to the citizens. So in India we have a citizens, that is people. So when they require few services from the government sector, at the time they need to visit the website of government, then they need to apply there, then they will take the services from the government. For example, when people required Aadhaar card or PAN card or driving license or ration card or any other services, even for applying for passport. So it's a very simple. What is the services which government is giving for citizens? It may be any services. So those services, if people wants to get, if that services is giving by government through websites, then that will be call it as government to citizens. That means citizens will be getting services from the government directly by using a website. So for this model we call it as government to citizen model. So even this we have under e-commerce. So these are the total 7 models that we have under e-commerce. These are very necessary when we are dealing with e-commerce businesses. So hope everyone understood. Thank you for watching. Keep watching our channel of Vision. If you like the video, please comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.